Hello everyone, how are you all guys? I hope that all of you are happy and enjoying a good health. So guys, welcome back to the channel Fashion World and welcome back to a new video with new style and new fashion items. So guys, today we are diving into one of the beautiful and most amazing designs and top designs of tops, girls tops. Guys, as you can see, these tops are really very amazing and super gorgeous. Guys, I personally like these stylish and gorgeous tops. As you can see, these are the best designs of 2025. This is our today's video. I hope you must like this video and you definitely try it. So please subscribe Fashion World for getting all notifications of Fashion World. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye. See you soon. Take care. Love. Peace. Have a nice day.